What's the thing they have on their legs?
So that's just their bird band.
Oh, so is that necessary? Do they always have to have it, or?
I mean, you can always choose to remove it. They don't have to.
Oh,
But
okay.
that's something that we can't do it here. You can either go to a vet or, you can try to do it at home, but it's pretty tight on their ankles.
Oh.
So if you choose to, I would just be really careful.
Okay. It doesn't hurt them, right?
No, or you
Okay.
could just take them to the vet and get it removed.
Okay, I'll probably do that. Oh my god, that is so cute. Are you happy? The food first. Which one are we gonna get? No, not yet, because I already ordered this on Amazon.
Let's get first the one to show them.
No, I already bought that.
Yeah. So now
What do you say? What about this one? Natural ingredients.
this one looks tasty
More
for
good.
them.
It does. I think I bought that one. I'm not sure.
No, you bought something else, right?
Which one should we get?
Wait,
I'm a little confused right now. Oh, that's so cute.
looks like salt. Done.
That was huge. I'm getting this one.
This is even.
This is the only one left.
Look, this is bigger.
Damn, that's huge.
It's like the size of a TV.
This is the only one left.
Yeah, let's
You're
get that.
lucky because I wanted to get this one. Yay! I'm lucky. I got 30% off because the box is open. Yay!
Oh, this looks like a catfish.
We bought the bird! And you picked the best one. You picked the blue one.
Oh my god! How to see?
He's so cute.
What color is
oh my
that?
god. Blue. Like
Blue?
baby blue. The
Sky
tail
blue.
the tail is baby blue and the
Only
rest
one?
is like gray. Yeah.
Hi, Bear.
I
I'm so
felt
happy.
it, and it was pecking my hands when I was
This isn't yet then.
The one I bought yesterday? Yeah, the cage. I bought it on Amazon and now I bought it and I got the 30% off because the box is open.
Oh my god.
So I got lucky.
Yay!
De camino a casa. ¡Woohoo! Ahí está Andresito teniendo el pajarito de camino a casa. Escogió un pajarito azul. Un blue bird.
Mi favorito color.
Tu favorito color. That's a beautiful color, blue.
Es a blue, mira.
A blue just like that. So cute. Are you excited? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm really excited. More than excited.
Mm-hmm. We've been wanting a bird for a really long time. Vamos a sacar la jaula.
Jaula.
Aquí está, and figure out how to put it together. Es grande. This is a really big cage. Miren qué grande es. Está grandecita. This is so exciting.
Imagine that you had to build this and it was only this size.
Ah, that'd be funny. That's so small.
The next day.
There are pink ones, blue ones, striped ones, and even eggs with polka dots. Look, Clifford has even found some new friends. Happy Easter!
He has not eaten, and he didn't eat water todavía. Drink water yet. Todavía no comió ni ha tomado agüita. Poquito a poquito se va a acostumbrar a nosotros. And we're planning to open his little door and let him fly around when he feels more comfortable.
My idea is to get the spray millet and put it in my hand, and maybe it would stand in my hand.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna try that.
Yes.
And what's his name? Tell him.
Skittles.
Skittles. Yay! Ahí te mira.
Why isn't she doing anything?
Skittles. Hi, Skittles. Hi. I don't want to get too close and scare her. Hi, Skittles. Oh, she's actually moving. She was not even moving before. Hi, Skittles. She was singing. Did you guys hear that? I hope you guys did. Hi. Oh, she's singing for the first time. She was so scared to sing before. Tenía miedo cantar antes y ahorita está que canta.